In today's video, we will talk about XRP's future, so be sure to stay focused as you surely don't want to miss out on this. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. While the price of XRP has risen significantly from its lows over the last year, it is still available for under $1. However, in the future, it will be too late for you to buy XRP. Moreover, China has its own take on XRP, which we will be discussing further in the video. Make sure to stay tuned until the end. XRP is an open-source cryptocurrency that runs on the XRP ledger, an open-source distributed Ripple and enterprise blockchain company that facilitates global transactions created it. XRP was built for payments according to Ripple and can settle transactions faster, more reliably and at a lower cost than standard global payment industry. According to a Ripple executive, the company wants to target the Chinese market with its distributed ledger technology, which is designed to speed up cross-border payments. In a phone interview with CNBC, Jeremy Light, Vice President of European Union Strategic Accounts at Ripple, said China is definitely of interest. It is definitely a target. China is unquestionably an intriguing country, and earlier this year, the blockchain company announced a partnership with Lion International, a Hong Kong-based financial services firm to power the latter's cross-border transactions between China, the United States, and Europe. It's unclear whether Lion is currently using Ripple's technology, the technology that underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Known as blockchain or distributed ledger is known as distributed ledger rather than using a single centralized server. It records transactions across multiple locations. Transactions on Ripple's distributed ledger technology are validated by a network of independent servers, owned by banks, retailers, and traders, rather than the miners who validate transactions on Bitcoin's public blockchain network. Focused on advancing the adoption of cryptocurrency, XRP would be unlikely if it were to seek entry into the Chinese market. Given Beijing's crackdown on virtual currency trading last year, China outlawed initial coin offerings, a contentious method of raising funds for financial technology startups through the sale of new digital tokens. Santander, UniCredit, UBS, and Standard Chartered are among the more than 500 financial institutions that have joined Ripple's network. Instead, lenders have agreed to use the StartX Current Ups product, which is designed to settle payments instantly anywhere on the money transfer. Companies such as MoneyGram and Western Union have expressed interest in Ripple's X Rapid platform, which uses XRP. Both of these applications of cryptocurrency are still in the testing stages and are not yet ready for commercial. In addition, John Deaton, an attorney for 65,000 XRP holders in the SEC versus Ripple case, has remarked on the important judgment refusing. The SEC is moved for reconsideration in confirming the order to provide 68 documents relevant to Hinman's 2018 speech. This order was termed the greatest judgment in the XRP litigation prior to the event, but the court's conclusion may be much larger than. This is going to Judge Ned Burns' insertion of a bulletproof section in the court order, which is likely to prevent the SEC from using the Second Circuit to further postpone the case. This might put an end to the SEC's delaying tactics, which Ripple executives have openly condemned and even called gamesmanship in court, urging that the plaintiff be. Apart from avoiding further delays, the order may compel both sides to reach an agreement sooner rather than later. Many believe the SEC will refuse to hand over its internal information, even if it means losing the case. Judge Netburn inserted a bulletproof provision for any appeal to the Second Circuit. She might have just denied the motion for reconsideration under Rule 6.3. You can't make new arguments if you've already made them. She didn't just dismiss the request. Summarily, John Deaton clarified on, but she studied the SEC substantive DPP argument and then rejected it. What she did was take away any appeal argument based on how important the DPP is and how this judge didn't take it into consideration as she should have. She scolded the SEC for posing positions on the speech. You do not have the right to change your opinion just because you disagree with the court's decision, she remarked. She underlined the contradiction by paying special focus to Hinman's under oath evidence. He stated, an appellate court will make certain that the judge respects all legal privileges. In my judgment, Judge Torres and the Second Circuit have little chance of overturning Judge and Nat Burns. If this analysis is true and the SEC is unable to gain an appeal for the DPP judgment, the SEC versus Ripple case may be settled sooner than expected, culminating in XRP's relisting on US-based exchanges and trading platforms. In addition, here are some updates on the SEC versus XRP case. Let's take a closer look at where XRP stands in the legal. With each passing day, the SEC versus XRP lawsuit becomes more intriguing in the most recent development. The SEC has requested an extension of time to file its objection to Magistrate Judge Ned Burns' ruling on the motion for reconsideration of the DPP. The U.S. SEC has requested in a letter dated the 15th of April that Judge Torres extended the deadline from 25th of April to 14 days from the date of the SEC's pending application. This update follows the release of emails proving that the SEC was aware that Bill Hinman, a former SEC official, had a conflict of interest in the case. Judge Torres rules that the SEC cannot all the contents of emails purporting to show conflicts of interest regarding XRP and other tokens. The documents show that the SEC Ethics Office warned former SEC official William Hinman that he had a direct financial interest in Simpson Thacher, but Hinman continued to meet with the firm. Despite these warnings, said Empower Oversight on, according to XRP community member and attorney James K.V. Alon, Empower Oversight discovered some extraordinary emails regarding Bill Hinman, including one that shows him and has warned that he has a bar under the criminal financial conflict with Simpson because you have an ongoing financial interest in the firm. On the other hand, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is optimistic that the company will emerge victorious from its legal battle with the SEC. The lawsuit has gone extremely well, far better than I could have hoped when it first started. About 15 months ago, Garlinghouse made the remarks during a fireside chat hosted by CNBC at the Paris Blockchain Week Summit on Thursday. However, the wheels of justice are slow too. In addition to Albridge, a digital platform that allows a cryptocurrency transfers between multiple chains, has announced that it now supports Ripple XRP ledger. Following recent developments, Albridge announced that XRP, yes, will be the 14th blockchain to be integrated into their platform. Albridge can now link crypto assets on the Ripple network with other Ethereum virtual machine compatible and non-EVM compatible chains that are supported on the network and vice versa, thanks to the addition of XRP. The news comes 3 months after Albridge announced it would be adding support for Ripple's XRP ledger. The integration with XRPL allowed us to deeply enhance our cross-chain expertise and offer a truly unique solution to the market, said Andrew, co-founder and CEO of Albridge. Our ultimate goal is to create a cross-chain environment that is interconnect. With the addition of XRPL to the project's ecosystem, Albridge has become the first bridge to connect XRP ledger with the expensive DeFi ecosystem. According to Valkyrie, by the second quarter of 2022, Albridge plans to add more cryptocurrency assets to Ripple's XRPL, and it has already started this groundbreaking effort by adding Solo, a digital currency in the Sologenic ecos. The integration was made possible, according to Albridge, thanks to technical assistance from the Ripple team. Together, Albridge and Ripple are contributing to growing cross-chain interoperability as many in crypto build toward a multi-chain future. The company said, "Folks, you should be aware that this lawsuit has a negligible impact on XRP progress and updates. XRP has begun to be adopted by banks. The swift alternative XRP has been. We've often stated on our channel that XRP has a lot of untapped potential. The only thing holding it back is the lawsuit. Once the case is resolved." Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video.